Have you ever been forced to hitchhike?
This sucks.
But he was so boring that he made you want to bail? Well, bail no more with Josh's chair truck pickup.
Get in, loser!
Where'd I get in?
Back.
Holy crackers!
And remember, kids, safety first. Get a ride today for the affordable price of $32 with an additional $7.50 a mile. My name's Josh. I've been working here for 2 hours and I got my license this morning. So when you need a ride, don't be a suck up. Call Josh's Chair Truck Pickup.
And for more extreme options, we've added our new sled service.